Here is the Saramonic handle transmitter holder with the Blink for the Blink B500 and Blink B500 Pro. Let's do its unboxing and let's see how good it is. The good thing is that it have a built-in battery much better than the Rode handle, which is a dummy plastic. Let's get started with the unboxing, and then I bought it from my own money. It's called Blink 500 Pro HM. Let's get started. Are you excited? I'm really very much excited, to be honest with you. Really very much excited. So now you're hitting me with the Blink B500. The audio level on the Blink is that around 5. The maximum you can go on 6, and then I'm using the ZV1 with the audio level 9. Again, you need to be the judge how good is the audio quality. Let me just decrease the audio level. Let me go to like 5. Right now I'm at 5. Yeah, right now I'm at 5. You need to be the judge how good is the audio level. So Sony ZV1 level 5. The maximum you can go level 27, and then Saramonic level 5. So both of them are level 5. Okay, yeah. So how is like this? For example, I use like this at level 5. So yeah, if I clip like this, how good is the sound? And if I clip like this, how good is the sound? You need to adjust. This is the Blink B500. You need to be the judge how good is the sound. Again, you need to be the judge how good is the sound. To me, I really like it. I can easily recommend. It's quite tiny, it's quite lightweight, but you need to be the judge how good is the sound. Let me just decrease to level 4. Okay, let me go to level 4. Right now we are at level 4. Level 3. Right now we are at level 3. Level 3. Right now we are at level 3. I think level 3 is much better. Is the sound better? So Sony ZV1 level 3. You need to be the judge how good is the sound. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.